Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop @everyone and @here pings on Discord in just a few simple steps. Right-click the server icon in the left sidebar to open its context menu, then hover over Notification Settings to open the notification panel on the right side of your screen. The panel appears as an overlay with all the notification controls for this specific server. The panel shows several notification options. Turn on the checkbox labeled Suppress @everyone and @here to stop those pings from notifying you in this server. This is useful when you're in large, active servers where people frequently tag everyone, but you still want to see direct mentions and replies. Your change saves automatically and the checkbox stays ticked, which means you'll no longer receive notifications when someone uses those mention types in this server. The notification panel closes, and you're back to your main Discord view with the new setting active. This setting only applies to the server you changed it on, so if you're in multiple noisy servers, you'll need to repeat this for each one. If you want to completely block members from sending @everyone or @here pings in a server you manage, open Server Settings, go to Roles, select the Everyone role, and turn off the Mention Everyone permission, then save your changes. You can turn the Suppress option back off at any time by opening the notification panel again and unchecking it. And that's how to stop @everyone and @here pings on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.